I don't think many people come here by accident, because this is so much more to me than just another engineering school.
All being engineers or science majors, we just have such a unique group of people that are just so supportive and so encouraging and also just so involved in everything.
Most of my experience at this school has been characterized by being able to freely follow my passions and be able to find myself in like energy engineering and find myself in music at Mines and find myself in sustainability at Mines.
I think it's that community that's really present from the beginning all the way from the M-Climb up to graduation that I think was there the whole time, whether it was in the classroom or out of the classroom, and I think that community is just a big part of Mines that I really enjoyed.
My Mines degree is going to be extremely useful just because I've learned how to solve problems. I've learned how to handle adversity.
Just in general, for my future, I believe Mines has been a super critical part of developing as a human being in terms of developing my work ethic. You know, beyond just raw knowledge, beyond just raw information, there's a work ethic that Mines really stresses. There is a companionship with the people here that you learn to develop and an appreciation for other people.
We have international students from Nigeria, from Angola, Iran, Indonesia, everywhere, all around the world.
Professors have just been awesome, and I feel like that's something great about mine, so I've like fostered great relationships with them, and they've helped me a lot with like internships and just like classes, and you can tell they genuinely care.
I would say I've been well prepared in that I've really had the opportunity to try many different things and figure out what it is that I'm interested in.
I came to Mines nervous but really excited for what the 4 years here would hold, and I'm leaving Mines prepared and ready to take on my next adventure and with a lot more friends and support system behind me.
I came to Mines really excited about engineering but unsure of my future, and I'm leaving with even more passion for the field and just a more clear direction on what I want to do and where I want to go.
I came to Mines optimistic and I'm leaving Mines empowered.
I'm coming out of Mines ambitious, ready, prepared, and eager.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my mom and dad, Dana and Darren. You guys were always supportive of me, and you helped me get to this position where I am today.
I just wanted to shout out my friends that I've met here in my time at Mines who have been my biggest supporters, and also my family members who have been there supporting me in the background.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, and thank you to my aunt and uncle. Your support over the past few years has been a lot.
I just want to say thank you to my friends and family.
I just want to thank all my friends and family who've helped along the way. I wouldn't have gotten here without your support, and so thanks for supporting me now and supporting me in the future.